With some 1,700 individual creatures representing some 250 different species, the North Carolina Zoo faces some unique challenges in providing care for its animal collections. One of the most obvious is the wide variety of diets needed for so many different species. And not just the types of food, but the way that food must be delivered can vary tremendously when you're feeding creatures that range from tiny 2-ounce birds to 12-foot tall, 12,000-pound elephants. Curator of Mammals Guy Lichty tells us about some of the unusual food delivery devices developed by the zoo staff.
A challenge for us is to bring out the essence of the animals for their well-being. We want to provide each animal with an appropriate environment, and that includes the feeding strategies that we use to replicate their lives in the wild as much as we can, because that's going to provide them the best well-being. We recently came up with a challenge to feed our elephants, and one of the elephant keepers came up with the idea, let's call the Randolph Community College welding class and see if there's some sort of partnership we could create. And they met with our staff and we came up with a really good product. Other devices that we have for the elephants include just basically hanging cargo nets or old pickle barrels stuffed with hay so that they have to reach up over their heads like they would foraging in trees. Out in one of the exhibits we have a very elaborate and well-made scratching tree is what we call it, but it has sleeves in it so that we can put branches of browse so that the animals can eat off the tree like they would naturally, and we just keep adding new browse whenever we need to.
By developing these special food delivery devices, the zoo staff is making certain that every animal receives the diet they need to remain healthy. If you'd like to learn more, please check out our website at nczoo.org. I'm Rod Hackney reporting for the Zoo Files, connecting your life to wildlife.